Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today I'm sharing Mother's Day gift ideas. They can be on a budget, they can be expensive, whatever you think your mom would love. I'm sure no matter the cost, she's going to love it because it's from you. So I'm going to share with you guys some quick and easy gift ideas that you can give your mom. On a budget, not a budget, gift cards, jewelry, all the things. So let's get into the video. First, a gift idea, I'm using this basket. I picked this up at Dollar General for $4. Honestly, do not sleep on Dollar General items because they have some really great gift basket ideas, or as far as like the baskets, like they are great quality, and this you can use as a planner later on just with some dirt. So I'm just going to be adding a lot of garden items to this. I think Mother's Day rolls around the time in Michigan where we can finally start planting flowers and doing outside gardening work. So these are always like my key items for Mother's Day gifts, and you can use them and they don't just lay around collecting dust. So I grabbed a lot of these items at Dollar Tree, and I just think that adding some skewers make just a little bit of height for this. But you know, if you didn't want to do this and you kind of wanted to cover some of those $1.25 price tags up, I have another idea for you as well. I don't know what it is about those $1.25 price tags. Some of them come off, some of them do not. So instead of using the skewers, I just added the shovel and gloves. Those are also from Dollar Tree, and the gloves do last a solid summer. They don't last forever, but these seeds are large packets of seeds, and these were $1.25 at Dollar Tree as well. And then I just added some of that crinkle paper in there, and I just love this idea for a Mother's Day gift. Loved this decor box from Dollar General. This one was $5, but I just think it is so pretty. So even after the gift, you're still able to put items in here. I think this would be really pretty on a dresser or even in a bathroom. And what mother just doesn't want to pamper themselves and have like a fun little nail kit in here, along with that really fun like hand sanitizer. I found that at Dollar Tree as well. And Dollar Tree also has Sally Hansen nail polish from time to time. And of course, like, what is not a great gift than adding a gift card to your mom's favorite store? Video is sponsored by Luisa, but even if it wasn't, I would be talking about this company anyways. So Mother's Day is the perfect time to treat yourself or gift a loved one something special. Luisa jewelry makes for a timeless, high quality present that lasts beyond occasion. I've been gifting my mom Luisa jewelry for Mother's Day for the past, I want to say 3 or even maybe 4 years, and it is quality jewelry at a great price. So Luisa has affordable luxury style jewelry starting at only $39. So I want to share with the ones that they sent me. It is a really pretty set. So I think if you get the necklace, you have to grab the earrings. I mean, it's definitely optional, but I think together they make a great gift. And even if we're not talking about Mother's Day, which obviously we are in this video today, this makes great gifting anytime, any season, any holiday, all the time. I also love that Luisa has fast and free shipping, and it makes shopping online so much easier. I shop online all the time, and these are just a couple items that I do have personally. That mama necklace and this pebble one, they're some of my favorites. And if you guys see me in videos, I'm more than likely wearing their jewelry as well. These earrings right here, I want to say it's Toda. This is what I gave my mom last year for Mother's Day, and she loves them. If you don't love their items, they have an easy return policy, which honestly, I don't think you'll need that at all. So if you guys are looking to grab your mother or yourself or that special person in your life for Mother's Day, you want to grab them something timeless, something beautiful, something that is going to be lasting, you guys need to check out Luisa. My link will be in the description box below for you guys, so you're able to check out their Mother's Day deals. And if you order now, you will receive your items before Mother's Day. So like I said, make sure you check out my link in the description box below so you can grab yourself some Luisa jewelry. All right, we're going to go into this gift idea. So this was $5 from Dollar General, and I grabbed one of these last year as well. I think it was green, and you could add something to the front of this. I just went ahead and left it. I think it is very pretty as is. And then if you do have that DIY mama, and then she wants to add some sort of decal or rub-on transfers, she's able to do that. So I just added some seeds in here along with this little Dollar Tree. It's like a little plant. You hang it off the side of a planter. I just think those are really cute. I know my mom has quite a few of these. And then, of course, you can never go wrong with gift cards. Tuck some jewelry inside there. And I think this is a perfect gift idea. You can always take out or add more to this. You could add some candy to this, whatever you choose to. But I just think that this is a really fun gift idea. Video I was trying to come up with some affordable ideas, some great luxury items, some quick gift ideas. So if you're like running late on time and you work and you just can't get to the store, these are just some really great ideas for you as well. So I was trying to come up with like some budget friendly ones along with like a higher cost item. It just depends, and I don't think your mom is going to care how much anything costs. But I grabbed this cup at Dollar Tree, and then I just added some nail polish to this, a gift card, some jewelry, and I think that this is a great gift, and they can use the cup afterwards. Also wanted to share some items that I gifted last year and the previous years, because some of these items that I'm probably just going to copy and reuse for this year. So my mom and I and my girls, we really like road tripping and finding some new places to go. We like to go into the beach. We like picking up rocks. And so I always think a good road tripping shirt or a road tripping bag is super fun. And this is one of her favorite items that she's received. I did end up throwing like some gift cards in here later on, but I grabbed this bag last year or the year before from the Target dollar spot. So it was $5, but it is a good size bag for snacks and everything you'd need to go to the beach. This small towel, I was going to say blanket, but it's definitely a towel, and then just some really fun snacks that I knew that she would like. So when we do take a couple hour road trips, we do always have some snacks. And when I mean I mean that she has to share. I mean, she doesn't technically have to share, but she does anyways. So some like popcorn. These are really fun items from the Dollar Tree, or you can grab them wherever your little heart desires. So if you like Walmart, you can go ahead and grab them from there as well. But some caramels, just some really fun stuff. And then you can grab a t-shirt. I made this one for her. And then just a road tripping cup, and you're really all set and good to go. But I did end up adding some gift cards into here to some of their favorite places. So when we do go on road trips, she has gift cards to spend instead of her own money. So I thought that was perfect, and I think this is a really fun idea. And like I said, it doesn't have to be for Mother's Day. It could be for a birthday as well. So keep these ideas open. Mother's Day is great, but birthdays also. So this little basket is actually from Amazon with everything inside of it. So it came, I'm not sure the price, and if I can find it, I'll link it below for you guys, but it is just a really great gift. So if you don't want to go to the store and you don't want to have to come up with a gift basket idea, I think this one is really great because it comes with all the gardening tools, comes with a basket for gardening, and then comes with just some really fun items as well that you can add to this. So like some gardening items. I'm not sure. I'm not like the biggest gardener in the world, but if you do have a mom that does like gardening, it came with all the essentials and necessities that you'd need. Obsessed with sublimation items. So I did print out this sublimation piece of paper, or this decal, or I'm not even sure what to call it. I guess it's some sort of like SVG, or I don't even know what we're going to call it. Anyways, I'm sublimating this cup, and this is from Hobby Lobby, and the decal is from, or the image, let's just call it an image. That is from Creative Fabrica. I get all of my images on there when I do sublimation along with my X tool, like when I cut out pieces of wood and stuff. Creative Fabrica is great for all of that. And then I'm just using my mug press. This is what it looks like. So if your mom likes coffee, this is a really great idea for you as well. And if you want to DIY some stuff, so you just want to grab a mug from somewhere, and then of course, like notes, like I love taking notes and making lists, and I don't do that stuff on my phone. I would definitely prefer to have a piece of paper. So when I make my grocery list, I can write it out and then leave it in my car, because that's usually what ends up happening. And then of course, this little flower and garden tin that was from either Dollar Tree or Dollar General, some pens, of course, for those notepads, and then you still have that Starbucks gift card right inside that cup. And I just think this is just a quick, fun gift idea. Tin came from the Target dollar spot last year, and I'm just adding some tissue paper to this, and this is going to be a really fun crafter basket. I think this is a really fun Christmas gift idea too, because when it's cold outside, you have stuff to do, but this is also fun. So if you're camping and you want to, you know, someone who camps, or your mom camps and she needs some fun things to do like in the evening time next to a fire, this is a really perfect idea. And I don't know why I'm coming up with all these weird scenarios, like you know your mom better than I do, but it's just a really fun idea. And if your mom crafts, then this is even better. And all these items did come from Dollar Tree. DIY a candle if you must, or you can just give your mom this DIY candle set that is from Hobby Lobby. I just went ahead and just made a fun candle and used all kinds of like dried flowers and just warming up this wax right in the microwave. That was super easy instead of warming it up over the oven. And then a ton of really good smells. I prefer like the vanilla or the gingerbread, the pumpkins, as does my mom. So a good smelling candle, it doesn't matter what time of year it is, like pumpkin candles always smell good. And I'm just dumping the wax in here and then just adding my love to the candle. And I think this is a really great gift. Like I said, it's a DIY candle kit. So if you just want to give it to your mom and have her make one, it's super fun. Then another idea is just to grab those good old candle kits from Amazon. This is a candle making set. I think it was under $40, which I think is a great deal because it comes with absolutely everything you would need. You don't need to go buy anything. It comes with the scents, comes with the fun candles, and there's like so many more in this as well, along with all of the waxes, dried flowers, and I will link this down below for you guys because it is just, it's really fun. Or another really fun idea, so just hear me out, like a candle making day with your mom. So grab this, bring it over to her house for Mother's Day, and you guys can make candles together. I have all kinds of scenarios. It's not just about gift giving, it's about spending time with your mom. And it's definitely what we do on Mother's Day. We spend time together. If it's nice out, we're definitely going to be going to the beach and collecting rocks. And I will carry as many rocks as my mom's heart desires. She loves getting rocks from the beach every time we go. And of course, since it's a DIY channel, grab 4 of these frames from Dollar Tree, and I'm just printing out 4 photos. I actually just kind of made this for myself. I could make it for my mom, but I really don't think she'd want pictures of me and her in a faux framed vase, but I do like this stuff. So if you do have younger kids and you need to make them something for their moms, dads, if you guys watch this and you need to make something, I think this is a really easy way to make your mom a gift. And you could put some real flowers in here with a vase. You could do fake flowers. So if you're looking for something and you need some help, this one is a pretty easy craft. I glued a stack of these square planks from Dollar Tree together just for the bottom base, so I would be able to actually stick a vase in here without it falling apart. And then now just some hot glue. And I will tell you what, this hot glue gun and the glue sticks, the Gorilla glue sticks for your hot glue gun, are amazing. You honestly don't need any more type of glue when it comes to the Dollar Tree wood. Like, it will never fall apart. I am telling you, like, I can throw things and it's not going to break. Maybe just don't throw this because it has glass in it. And then I just add some tissue paper and some faux flowers to this. But like I said, you could add a vase to this and actually add some real flowers for your mom for Mother's Day. You guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love you to stick around and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. I will link them in the description box below so you are able to check out them for Mother's Day. That is it, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.